All right, so we're going to tackle question 28 on test 1. Go ahead and open your book. Go there now. Take a look. I'll pause the video and get all set. Okay, great. Here we go. So this is a basic percents question. Okay? The understanding the basics of percents will help you tackle this question. It's not that bad. It's a pretty simple question if you know how to use percents. So I kind of wrote out this question a little differently, but this is exactly what the question said. 40% of 250 is equal to 60% of what number? So the simplest way to tackle this problem is to set up a basic equation and solve it. Okay? So we have to turn our percents into decimals. So 40% is actually the same as 0.4. Okay? 40% of 250, that is multiplication. So 0.4 times 250 equals, it literally says is equal, so equal sign, 60%, 0.6 times something. In math, when we don't know what the something is, an easy thing to use is just a variable like x. That just means we don't know what it is, so we'll use a letter to be a placeholder. So we have to solve this. So let's solve this. Okay, we'll simplify this side. 0.4 times 250. If you got your calculator, pull it out and use it. Always utilize your calculator. Make it your best friend. That's always true. So 0.4 times 250 would equal 100. Okay? And then this side, we'll just go ahead and rewrite it. Let's rewrite it as 0.6x, 0.6 times x. So now we want to get the variable by itself. We do that by doing the opposite. 0.6 times x, we divide by 0.6 on both sides. Keep the equation balanced by doing the same thing on both sides of the equal sign. So 100, this side will cancel out. We'll just have x. And this will be 100 divided by 0.6 in your calculator. And that comes out to 166.6666667. Okay, so it'll give you that decimal. So you have to use a little bit of knowledge here to find the right answer, because the right answer is H. Because H says that it's 166 2/3. So that's just a little bit of knowledge needed there to convert this into a fraction. You can also use the fraction decimal conversion on your calculator. That's a great way to turn any decimal into a fraction, but you just need to know that 0.666 repeating forever is 2/3. So 166 2/3, correct answer is H.